Traveling is an adventure, but safety is always the top priority. First, research your destination's local customs and emergency procedures before you arrive. Second, secure your documents. Keep digital and physical copies of your passport and travel insurance. Store these in separate locations to ensure you're never left without identification. Third, be smart with your money. Use secure ATMs and avoid carrying large amounts of cash. It's also wise to split your cash and cards between different bags just in case. Finally, stay aware. Blend in, avoid flashing electronics, and always trust your instincts. If a situation feels off, don't be afraid to walk away or seek help immediately. Follow these steps to travel with confidence. Safe travels on your next journey.